it up there. You're leaving already?
Yes, Mama, I have to go. There's always a rush on a market day.
But there was something I would like to discuss with you.
Give me here.
It has to do with the discussion I had with your uncle.
Mama, I have some people to attend to. They are waiting for me. Please keep this until I come back in the evening. Oh, Biko.
One more thing. Your customers have been complaining that you're very rough on the road. Mom, you need to be careful. You gotta be careful.
Mama, stop listening to all these cheap gossips around. I'm a very careful person.
If you say so, but you have to be careful. I'll be forgetting one name, you and those H. You are the only people I have on this earth.
Mama, free your mind. Stop all these negative thoughts. Nothing will happen to me. Mama, I have to rush, I have to make money today at least to put food on the table.
Anya say, be careful, oh.
Won't you have your breakfast before leaving?
I'll eat. Just keep it for me.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Jane, where is my husband? It's coming. I'm waiting for you.
Yeah, see, I'm on my way out now. I have a business meeting right away. So.
No, you can't say that, my love. You can't say that. This food was specially prepared by me. It's your favorite and you must eat it. No, don't do that to me. Don't.
You worry too much. See. When I return, I'll be relaxed and I'll eat this food, okay?
I don't want it like that. I want you to taste something before you leave. You can't go out on empty stomach.
Say,
No, babe.
Come on, say,
Please don't be funny this morning, please.
See, let me tell you, I'll eat this food when I return, okay? Meanwhile, on the table, there is a check for 2 million naira for you, just for your petty needs, huh? All right, see you.
All right, have a nice day. Have a nice day.
Yeah.
What do you want to do with this food? Jane!
Let's go. Pick up. Stop. You open the gate and you stay behind. Okay, sir. Let's go.
He's a wicked man. I'm on you, stop when I fear. I see no killing, can't kill your brother. A chair of the end of slow. Bullet is not for him, neither for his body.
And go towards the entrance school center there.
Okay. That place na 250.
Okay, they share you na 200 now.
No, na 250. You know say na 250 now. How you talk like this?
Now here 200. Okay, man, enter. No. Thank you.
You see what it costs? For this you go pay 300.
Okay, they go.
Don't worry, they will start and they go. You go pay 300.
Oh.
Our food is ready.
Ah, yes. I can smell it seated here. The aroma that I'm perceiving proves that this food will be very tasty.
Mama, you taught me how to make delicious meal.
Do I have a choice? You're my daughter. I don't have a choice than to teach you.
Mama? Mama? Mama, what is it now? Mama? Mama, what is it now, Mama? Mama? Mama, again, no, again. Mama? Mama, people talk to me. What is it? Mama? I love you too, Mama. You too. Mama, we love you, Biko. No, Biko. What is it? Mama, Biko. No, Biko. Wake up. Mama, what is it? Mama. Mama, Biko now. Mama, Biko.
Where they go? Okay, na 300. May I tell me where they go?
No, na 50.
No be I carry last week. We pay 250. Why they talk like this?
No word. May I give you 150? I will make they go.
See, I don't want to talk too much. May we they go 200.
No, 150. I don't say.
Hello? Ogechi. Okay, what is it? Huh? Hey! Okay, I come now.
Hello, Mama, how are you?
I'm fine, Vera. I'm fine. I called to tell you that your friend Ijoma delivered a set of twins.
Are you serious? Wow! A big congratulations to her. Do not worry, I'll come and see them anytime I'm free, okay?
I will do that.
Wow, I'm so happy.
So, when am I having my own grandchildren? What is the problem? Or are you having problem with conception?
Not at all, Mama. You will certainly carry your grandchildren. Just exercise a little patience, okay?
Soon. Nsobadero. How soon is this soon? Mana, no problem. Or is there anything you are not telling me?
Mama, there is no problem. Please, I'll have to talk to you much later. Please. Thank you.
Vera. Hello, Vera. Hi. I'm going now phone Nanti. So what do
What exactly is happening to me? How do I save myself from this horrible situation?
Auntie, is anything wrong with you? Why are you like this? Auntie, I noticed you've not eaten your food since morning. Please tell me what is wrong with you.
Don't worry yourself, Jane. Just go back to your work. Just go back.
You're crying. Auntie, you're crying.
Please, Jane. Go back to your work, please. Just let me be.
Sorry.
Doctor, please, what is wrong with my mother?
From the result of the test analysis conducted, your mother has a kidney disease.
Kidney disease again?
What? Has she suffered from such ailment before?
No. But that was exactly what killed our father a few months ago.
Well, I will advise you hurry so that we can save her life.
Doctor, please, what are we going to do now? Please.
We need to carry out a kidney transplant. And you need about 2 million naira.
2 million what? Hey!
2 million naira.
Hey!
Doctor, why? 2 million naira? Doctor, where am I going to get that kind of money from? From where? Doctor, it's too much now. Oh.
You have to hurry if you still want your mother alive.
People are wicked. Them mad in danger. Vapotani rugi. Fana musagamo. Vapotana zogi. Vapura wensu yeregi. Nyoro maramadu. Negwa febeni. Chubu chubu rumifa.
I need your help.
Okay.
Yes.
How?
Uche, as I'm talking to you now, my mother is very sick and hospitalized. An urgent operation is needed to save her life. And too much money is involved. Biko.
Sorry. Like how much?
2 million.
Huh?
To do the operation, yes.
Hey. Yeah. I've not seen that kind of money. I've not touched what you're talking about.
No, Uche, I didn't mean you should give me the whole money. No matter how little you give me, I will add it up. I will manage it.
Okay, I have only 10,000 in my account.
Better.
Better again, is it? I have budgeted it for something to sort out on my own.
Hey.
There's nothing 10,000 can do now.
Uche, my mother is dying. My mother is dying.
Okay, now I can't do anything. I just have only 10,000. There's nothing I can do. How do I do that? It doesn't work now.
Uche. You understand me now? He shall not do this anything.
So, are we just gonna sit down here, fold our arms while we watch Mama die?
No, that will not happen. I will not be alive and allow that to happen. It will not happen.
Brother, don't forget that this is exactly 3 months. 3 months we lost Papa. I can't bear it. I can't bear losing Mama, brother.
Okay, Chisi, this is difficult. How do we raise this 2 million naira for the kidney transplant? 2 million naira. How do I do this?
I think we should go meet Uncle Nyeka.
Uncle Nyeka? No. Uncle Nyeka has tried. I can't even face him. I would be so ashamed to face him. He has already done enough for us.
So what are we going to do now?
My brother, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
He is your son.
Yes.
He is also my son.
Exactly.
So, he is welcome to my house. We accept him and we will teach him. We will make him learn whatever line of business he is interested in. We have many lines. Whichever one will help him. And he will learn it and be successful.
Oh, my brother,
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Uncle.
Yes. Ekene?
Sir.
That's your name.
Yes, sir.
You will have to be obedient. You will have to be dedicated. And you'll be serious. All these things and more will be needed for you not just to learn the business, but also getting on in life. Without these things, we would be in Naija. Huh? So just open your eyes and have these things and to be well with you.
My brother, does he have any option? He has no option. He must obey you. He will be dedicated. You know, we know him to be a very calm person. You know, very respectful. So, in fact, I am dashing him to you. Do with him anything you deem fit. Like you said, he's your son.
Thank you, sir.
You know, in our family, you know, in fact, they say a tree does not make a forest. So in our family, if I'm there and he comes of age, the shed will be bigger and it will accommodate more people. That's it.
Look, I thank God that we came from the same room. You've been so kind to us. You are not like others. Just look at it. You are lifting us as you are rising further in life. And now look at what you've offered now. You are so kind. Thank you very much.
Una wipe it. Huh? Okay.
My brother, here is the money.
Okay.
So you can go ahead and tell them to supply the goods, please.
We will give you all the materials in good price. Okay? We'll supply you.
Make sure it's complete too.
Don't worry, don't worry. By this evening, your goods will land your location.
No problem, no problem. And don't forget to extend my greetings to Onyeka.
I will.
It's my man, you know.
Thank you so much.
All right.
You,
All right, I'm waiting.
It's okay.
All right.
Okay.
Ekene.
Sir?
Yes.
I got no.
How is it going?
So well, thank God the market is going well. Business is moving. Making good sales.
Yes. The accountant actually gave me a good rundown of your activities. And it means you're doing very well.
Thank God, sir. It's moving. It's really moving.
Making record sales.
Thank you, sir.
And I'm proud of you.
Thank you, sir.
Keep it up.
Thank you, sir. I will.
There is still room for more and greater improvement.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much for your assessment. Thank you. Okay. No, no. Come be a good chin.
Oh, shit. Yes. It's all right.
Okay, sir.
Okay. See you.
Okay. Thank you, sir. I'm happy for your asset.
Ekene has completed his period of apprenticeship successfully. And so, after 7 years, I've decided to settle him as his master.
My brother Onyeka, that's a good idea. You know you've been helping me. I know you have a good heart. You've done a lot for me. So, what I'm going to say, please don't misunderstand me. It's not bad that you want to settle him, but don't you think it is too early? Has he really learned the trade to such an extent that he has the competence to manage the business very well? Huh?
Chiamadi. Ekene has been with me for good 7 years. Solid 7 years. There is nothing about this business he does not know. He has been exposed to every secret of this business. I mean, he's not my slave, so at some point in life, he has to be encouraged to get on, start off his own business and get on with life. All right?
Yes.
That's what we're doing there.
Okay. Because the reason I expressed that fear is that I don't want him to mismanage whatever funds that we have to put into the business. But since you have said this, I want to thank you for training him, for him to be able to be a man for himself. And you know he will still support me. Thank you very much, my brother. Yes. Thank you.
Mana akanni ko akebe akwona akanni ikene come. Shall be well with you. You have stayed with me for 7 years. You've answered me, sir. You've called me Oga. What it means now is that after today, in fact, the moment you leave here, you will become your own Oga.
Amen.
So, as you called me Oga, other people will call you Oga.
Amen.
And the money I will give you, you will put it to good use.
Thank
you will be a rich man.
Amen.
In fact, how do you young boys say it? You will blow.
Thank you, sir.
No. There is a check for 5 million naira.
5 million?
5 million. You don't want to take? Should I keep it back?
Thank you, sir.
Yes. I have also rented a shop for you. That's our line. All the keys are here. As soon as you go back, use these keys and I'll show you the shop.
Okay.
It's yours.
Okay. Okay. 5 million and a shop for me? Oh my God. Okay, thank you. Okay, may God bless you. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you, may God bless you. Oh. Thank you. Thank you. No, let me finish thanking you. Hi.
Thank you. Brother, thank you very much. Hi. Why are you like this? You are too kind.
Get thankful.
Hi. Thank you. Thank you. Hey, God.
What do you expect me to do? My brother. Oh, that's what everybody has, a long face. Hey! Now what's doing you waiting for me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Both of you are wearing long faces. Is everything alright?
Mban, Onyeka. Everything is not alright at all.
What happened?
Okay. I don't just know what's really happened, but everything in my shop is gone.
Gone. Everything in your shop disappeared.
disappeared? Thieves carried all of it?
Not really.
McKenna, I don't understand. I thought I taught you very well. Eh? Ekene, what about the money I settled you with? Where did you invest it?
Okay, I invested all in building materials.
So where are the goods?
Okay, I don't know what happened. You know me too well. You know I don't spend money on frivolities. All my goods, everything just crumbled. My business, everything just crumbled.
I see. Your business crumbled. Your business crumbled. What am I supposed to do about this now? Amadi? I don't know what I'm supposed to do about this now. His business crumbled. Eh? So as far as I'm concerned, I mean, well, he has to stay back here and take out some time and reassess himself before venturing into any other business.
My brother, if you recall, I told you in the beginning when you wanted to settle him that it was rather too early. Because this is the kind of thing I was afraid of. It's possible that he inadvertently missed some of the rudiments of the business, and that is why this is happening. So,
he squandered his money.
What I would suggest is, let him undergo another tutelage under you so that at least he can understand the tricks involved before he ventures into any other business. That's my humble suggestion. Okay.
Are you asking for his opinion or what? I just said he will stay back. And use that period to look at himself again. Meanwhile, I will give you a little money to keep soul and body together.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I don't know what just happened.
Yes, Ekene.
I'll be well, sir.
I was told you wanted to see me. Be brief, I have an important appointment.
Okay. It's about what we discussed last week. I want to go to the village and get a motorcycle.
You want to be an Okada man?
Yes, Uncle. I want to use it to rebuild my life. I'm disappointed in you, and I will not stop saying it. You missed big opportunity, a huge opportunity of becoming a wealthy building materials person. Oh, Uncle, I am sorry. I'm sorry about that.
Well, let's forget it. We leave bygones be bygones. You want an Okada?
Yes, sir.
Machine, trum. All right. I will buy you a motorcycle. A good one. A new one.
Are you serious?
That will be when I return. Let's go.
Thank you, sir. God bless you. Thank you. Hi, God, one can me one. Again, be here.
Kechi, Uncle Onyeka has really tried for our family. Yeah, I think we should give him breathing space. We shouldn't be bugging him all the time with our problems. He has tried for us. Yeah, we can't kill him. He's tried.
Rita, you're right. But we just need means to save Mama's life.
I'll sleep over it tonight, then make a decision tomorrow.
Hi, you've seen the land now?
Yes, so I've seen it.
It's a very big land.
But yeah, I've seen it. Is there any other thing that you need to show me? I mean, something like that?
No, nothing else. Nothing else. It's just that you won't regret this land if you buy it now.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. So how much is the land? I mean,
it's 1.5 million.
Yeah?
1.5 million?
Yes, 1.5 million.
This village?
It's a very big land and it's small money for this big land like this.
Oh, my brother, here is village. Here is village. Let's tell the truth.
My brother, this land is almost 1 acre and 1.5 million is not bad. And I'm even selling it 1.5 million for you because you're my customer at the shop.
Yes.
If it's another person, it's 2.5.
I understand. But 1 acre or 2 acres doesn't matter. What matters is the site. The site, the position.
This place is fast developing. You won't regret it if you buy it.
See, my brother, with that price that you mentioned now, I see you are not ready to sell the land.
Okay, how much do you want to buy it?
Yes, by the look of things, with what I see here now, 400,000.
400,000 naira?
Yes.
No, it's small now. This is a very big land. No. Okay, pay 1 million.
Yes. 1 million naira.
Let me just remove 500,000 naira as my customer.
No, my brother. Okay. You know what? Let me add 100,000 to make it 500,000 naira. Meditate over it. Then you relate to me later, please.
Okay, wait. How you take it?
Money is not a problem. Let's go and sign the necessary documents. I mean, money is not a problem, my brother. You know? But here is...
Jane, thank you for the food.
Etiko, you don't need to thank me, it's your right.
Jane, I do appreciate this food. But you always have a place in my heart.
I always have a place in your heart. Meaning?
Meaning that I love you. Although I have not prophesied my love for you due to the nature of my job, but you always have a place in my heart.
Etiko, I don't understand what you're saying.
Jane. You don't need to say anything. You're like a butterfly in my stomach that perches around the flower of my love. I love you, Jane.
Etiko.
Yes.
Thank you. It's your food.
I will.
Yes, I raised 500,000 naira.
How were you able to get such amount?
I sold our portion of land at Iziama. Please, let's rush and see the doctor.
Doctor, this must be collecting money.
Nurse, I want to deposit money for my mother's operation.
And who is your mom? Mrs. Adaku Amadi.
Okay. How much is there?
500,000 naira.
500. I'm sorry, I don't have any money. What?
Why?
I was asked not to collect anything less than $1 million naira deposit from you.
We are sorry. That is the hospital policy. We are so sorry.
Let's get to the doctor.
Let's go.
Rita.
Yes, doctor.
Tell Dr. Andy to see me later.
Okay, doctor.
So, young man, Toto, what do you want me to do for you?
Doctor,
what is the matter?
The nurse refuses to collect this money. She said that she was instructed not to collect the deposit not less than 1 million naira from me.
Yes. That's instruction from the management.
Doctor, please, just collect this money from us. My brother will still run around for more money.
Exactly. Yes, doctor. Please, you people should collect this money. How can bring more money, please?
Listen,
I promise.
There's nothing we can do about this. It's like I said, it's the instruction from the management. There's nothing I or the nurses can do about it. If you don't mind, excuse me.
Doctor, what kind of rubbish is this now? What kind of nonsense is this now? You think it's easy to make 500,000? I am not going anywhere until this hospital collect this money and start treatment on my mother. What's that?
Young man, is the instruction from the management. Excuse me.
Where are you going to? Where are you going to? I'm coming to your house. Hey, what is me? Are you not coming? Yeah. Coming where? Where do you want me to go to? Have you not heard? What is it? You have not heard? Heard what? Chief Onyeka. Oshimiri Atono. What happened to him? Is it Waka? That man is sharing money for all the less privileged in our community. You don't know? I'm going there. I'm different. Yeah? Choma? So you have now become less privileged. Insulting. Insult. So, if you want to insult me, start from Wakashige. Let me tell you something. I am not insulting you. The thing is that I want to go and see Adako, Ogechi's mother. I heard she has been very sick and she has been hospitalized in the hospital. So I said, let me go and see them. Let's go now. No. You will go and see Ogechi and her mother. You will ever see Ogechi, sorry. Tell the mother too, sorry. I will come and see them later. After that, I need that money for my business. Let me go and try my luck. Oh, say I'm sorry. So because of money, you have denied your friend. Hey. Choma, Makego, Fia Kwagi. You have denied your friend because of money. Majureju indeed. Majureju.
Arguing with these people why Mama dies slowly is not necessary.
But it's not fair now. This is not fair.
Just go and meet Uncle Onyeka. Tell him that we already have 500,000 naira, that we need another 500,000 naira to complete it 1 million. I have this feeling that he will easily give us the money.
I think you're right. Let me rush to his house. He must have been back by now. Let me rush.
Explain the situation of things to him, Biko.
Hold this one first. Hold it tight, please. Be careful about it. Let me go and check.
My people, I greet all of you.
Mama, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
It's here. I salute all of you.
Greetings, sir.
It is my.
I thank all of you for honoring my invitation.
Thank you, sir.
God has blessed me.
Yes, we know.
And I have prayed God to give me the enablement to be a blessing to people at large.
See.
And so today, I will be a blessing to you.
Hey! Ojuno Emogo! Chief Ojuno Emogo! He got the chief.
Dale. Ogonogo kwadrokwa no kambe.
Otu akode.
Maka na a na-ekwu ekwu.
Odogwu akata ka chief.
Mama.
Sir?
I have a non-governmental organization, a foundation that caters for education. And we know that you have 2 children in the university and
God.
3 in secondary school. Your 2 children in the university will have their school fees paid. We shall also, in the next 3 and 4 years respectively, take up school fees of your children, the 3 children in secondary school. I sent some people to your house to make an assessment of your building.
Hey!
They came back to tell us that your roof leaks.
Chief,
give him money to repair his leaking roof. 400,000. Chioma.
What do you know never?
Your petty business will need to be moved up a little. So we'll give you some money to help you to build that business to the next. Give him your account number.
Brother.
Yes. And we shall credit 1 million naira. Gladys of where?
Chief.
Gladys and the never smiling Dorothy.
She was smiling today.
I was smiling
today.
Dorothy, I will put smiles on your face.
She's smiling already.
You give your account numbers to him, and you expect 500.
Chifoyeka kaigeso. Mone jeje mona lala chifoyeka kaigeso. Hey! Chim! Hey!
Ne, it is like a dream to receive an alert of 1 million naira.
1 million naira.
1 million.
Just like that.
Tau or 1,000. Hey! My prayer for this man is that his pot of wealth, that oil of wealth, will never dry. It will not dry. It will not dry. Hey! Hey! Amen! Ne. We are the latest millionaires in this village. Learn no more. Learn no more. Ginika the latest millionaire. Ginika the latest millionaire. And I will call you Chioma Nwajuleju, the latest millionaire. Thank you. But now wait. See, when you see me, I don't like how you pronounce that name. When you see me, you call it Nwajuleju. The millionaire. Okay, Nwajuleju. Yes.
Sorry for keeping you. You know, the condition of my mother is very critical, so we don't allow visitors in our ward.
It's okay, my friend. I understand. I heard what happened to your mom, so I decided to come see for myself. Hi.
You've done well, my friend.
Thank you. So, have they commenced treatment now?
My brother is still running around to complete the money they requested as deposits.
How much? How much did they ask?
1 million.
Hey! 1 million! Hi! That is too much now. It is too much. But, Dikeh, have people tried Chief Onyeka? I heard he has been distributing money to the needy in this village, giving everybody money. I think you should try Chief Onyeka. Eh?
That's where my brother went to. I just hope he will give us the money.
I hope so too. I hope he does. Meanwhile, there's this little money I've been saving up for a while. Just manage it and pay for your expense.
Don't worry, okay? I'll be fine.
Okay, you're rejecting my money. I insist.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it.
I have to take my leave now. But I promise to always check on you to know how you're faring.
Thank you.
Okay. Do not let this bother you, okay? Do not let it weigh you down. You'll be fine. Trust me.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Chief has gone inside. You should have come a bit earlier. Yeah, I need to see him now, please. Is everything all right? Yes, but I need to see him now. And the reason of coming to see him is very urgent. Oh, Biko. Let me go inside and inform him. It's okay. Hope you don't mind. I understand. It's okay. Wait here.
Yes, I just came from attending to the needy as I usually do, and I was stretching myself, and Dikeh told me you were waiting.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, I've come to seek for your help. You have to help me. Sir.
Onwayo, calm down. You're not looking well. Now you're even looking worried.
Yes, sir. My mother has been hospitalized and she's about to die.
Man, not your mother. What's the problem?
Sir, my mother has been diagnosed of kidney problem and she needs kidney transplant for her to live.
What are they waiting for? Let them go ahead with the surgery immediately. Or do you want your mother to die?
No, sir. They say I should deposit at least a sum of 1 million naira for them to commence treatment.
1 million? What's the total bill?
Everything is about 2 million naira, sir.
See? That's reasonable. That's okay. It's something you can handle easily.
Sir, the problem now is that I have only 500,000 naira with me, and that's why I've come for you to help me. Please help my mother to live. Please help me.
So you've come to collect the balance. Ekene?
Sir.
After what I did for you, haven't I tried?
Sir, you've done more than expected, but please, are you...
Ekene? Keep that begging. Ekene?
Sir.
I did what I did for you, so that you will have the capacity to help your family and even others. Like now. But what did you do? Squandered all of it.
Sir, please, you have to help me. I'm sorry, please.
Ekene, I paid for your late father's hospital bill before he died. Ekene, I sponsored your late father's burial single-handedly. And you did not bring kobo. Your family did not bring in kobo. I am like the lizard that fell from the top down. Pam! You know what the lizard said? The lizard said, if anybody there does not praise it for that feat, that he will praise himself. You know what he did? You know what the lizard did? Raised his head. Bim, bam, bim, bam, bim, bam. That's me. Bim, bam, bim, bam. Ekene, I have pride.
Sir, please. I have no other person to run to.
Let me go and extend my philanthropy to other people. You hear me? Ekene? You must learn. You must learn to accept. You must learn to deal with life's challenges as they come. It has come now.
Sir, please, my mother is dying. Sir, please. Sir, my mother is dying. Please. Sir, my mother is dying. No. Yes, I did. But he refused to give me a dime.
Did you beg him? Did you kneel down? Did you explain the situation of this to him?
Ogechi, I did all that. But he refused to help us.
Hey!
Eh? My Oga refused to help me now that I needed him most. He refused, but I think it's my fault. Because I jeopardized the opportunity he gave me to become rich.
Listen, We can't let Mama die.
Ogechi, I don't even know what to do again. I don't know what to do.
Hi. Brother Chief Onyeka Osimiliatunu is our uncle. He can't possibly abandon us now that we need him the most. I have to go talk to him.
Ogechi, that won't be necessary. At all. Just forget about it.
Brother, I have to talk to his conscience. I have to talk to him.
What of Mama?
Mama is there. She's just...
Okay, come, let's
No, let me talk to him.
Ogechi, that won't be necessary.
Brother, let me talk to him first.
Can I?
Uche, I'm fine.
I met Ogechi on the way and she said that the hospital management refused to attend to your mother.
Uche, they refused to collect the 500,000 naira I brought. They say it's not enough to start treatment. That I must deposit up to 1 million naira.
What? How?
With all the efforts I made to raise money, it's not working. It's not working at all. I need help from anywhere. My mother is dying. Now, my mother is dying. Hi.
Kenna, just take it easy, okay? Huh? All this situation will stop. Your mother won't die, you know? Just that the Okada business is not yielding anything, so I don't know how to come in. Put yourself together, please.
I don't know what else to do.
Oh?
My mother is dying.
No, she won't die. Oh? Nah, Biko. You should go now. Okay, what are you doing?
Yes, but man.
Wait.
What are we having for lunch?
Vegetable soup and powdered yam.
Okay. I'll advise you go start preparing it immediately. Because I wouldn't want my husband to ask for food and he won't be ready.
Okay, ma'am.
Alright, hurry. Go.
Ma, please, there's something I want to talk to you about. And it's very important.
Must you talk about it now?
Yes, it's very important.
Alright, come have a seat. I hope there's no problem.
No, please, I wouldn't want you to know about what I was telling you now.
You can always count on me. So go ahead and tell me, what is it?
I overheard Ekene begging Chief for money. It's like their mother is sick to death.
Sick?
Yes.
Did he give him the money he asked for?
No. He left here crying bitterly.
You see? Someone out there might think I'm the one advising my husband not to help people. You see? So what does he want to do about it now?
I don't know. I'm just telling you because I know you can do something.
But you know I can't do nothing. I can't leave this house because Chief will always assign bodyguards to me. So how do I do something?
Madam, I know all that. I understand what you're saying, but you can still do something, please.
Jane, I have heard you. I will talk it over with my husband. You can go. Have the food prepared. Alright.
Sure, I will. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Oh. Good.
Yes.
Just sit down. Sit.
Yes, of course I will. Oh.
Babe, there is something really I want to talk about. Something very, very important.
I hope you haven't exhausted the money I gave you.
Not at all. I mean, it has nothing to do with that. It's about Ekene.
What about Dikeh?
His mother is really sick. I overheard him begging you for money, that he needed it to take care of his sick mother. Honey, please. I am pleading on his behalf. Help him. Please.
Have I not told you repeatedly never to meddle in any matter concerning them? These people are family, and I know exactly how to handle their situation.
I perfectly understand you, my love, but this is about life and death. The woman is sick, a poor woman. You wouldn't let her die because of money?
Enough. Vera. Enough. I have taken my decision, and no one can change it. See, I have given these people money. When I say money, I mean money. Tons of money. See, I know exactly how to help these people, and I've done that repeatedly. I gave them money again and again. But Ekene squandered all of it. He misused the opportunity at every turn. He has abused my philanthropy, and I do not want anybody to tell me anything about that family ever again.
If in 30 minutes we didn't receive the money, I will have no option than to ask you to take your mother out of this hospital.
Doctor, just give us little time. Just little time. She'll be here soonest.
Listen, we don't run a charitable organization here.
I know.
In 30 minutes, if you don't deposit that 1 million naira, I will have no option than to ask you to take your mother out of this hospital. I am just warning you. Don't say I didn't warn you.